tussen aantal Digital Tenziin Mingkyi la shiga konne social nanga pigre. Please welcome her.
Just today, my name is Tenziin Mingkyi and I'm from Chicago. First, I would like to thank the New York and New Jersey community for hosting all of us that are not from here. Everything was carried out with perfection and compassion, so thank you for being very accommodating. I would like to say how impressed I am with the younger Gen Z who are not only proud of their heritage but also want to stand up for and fight for a free Tibet. If the younger Gen Z wants to start an SFT club or Tibet club, there definitely will be professors who support Tibet that can help you. I encourage the college students to start your own chapters or Tibet clubs. I wanted to share a story of the time when I participated in our college international fair. The next year, 2 Chinese club students set a meeting. They wanted the college to not allow me to participate. They said my flag was an insult to their face and a slap in their face. At the end of the meeting, I had to agree to not show the map of Tibet in my poster. They thought they could silence me here in America, just like they did in Tibet. They could not. It is a privilege to wear this flag, and I wonder how many Tibetans your age that don't even remember what the flag looks like anymore. You can use the Tibetan flag stickers on Instagram and Snapchat and use it as much as possible. Yesterday, we stood together, and I thought to myself, how many people in Tibet dream of simply being able to stand openly with our flag? I have never seen our country, Tibet, with my own eyes, but I have been attending protests ever since I can remember, and I will continue to do so. I knew Uncle Loa personally, as he was a good family friend and was very kind to me growing up. He's always been a freedom fighter, and his sacrifice will not go in vain. And to the United Nations, you have a responsibility to humanity. You have a responsibility to protect the people in this world and defend human rights. How can you turn a blind eye when the world once said, never again after the Holocaust? We must not allow history to repeat itself. When human rights are violated, the international community has a responsibility to speak up. You need to wake up and hold China accountable for the mountains upon mountains of human rights violations inflicted upon the Tibetan people. We cannot remain silent. We cannot look away. Tibet deserves freedom, dignity, and the right to determine its own future. Long live